Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll stick around and see our homeschool journey. My name is Jamie. I'm a homeschool mama of 3 little boys. They are 7, 6, and 15 months old. I am a former public school educator and I taught grades kindergarten and 2nd and 3rd before I decided to stay home and homeschool my guys. In today's video, I thought I would share with you our homeschool carts. So each of my boys that are in school, my 7-year-old and my 6-year-old, they have a work cart that houses all of their supplies and all of the work stuff that they need for the school year. And I was just going to give you a little tour of their work carts and show you how I use their work carts. So here are their work carts, and they're normally up against the wall right there, but I have them moved out right now so I can actually show you them better. So the red one is my first graders. His favorite color is red, and the blue one is my 2nd grader. And I'm just going to kind of go through and walk you through what they have. And I'm going to start at the bottom. So this is my first graders. And at the bottom in this bin is like extra things. These are just little things that they have that they can do whenever. So he has some little notebooks in here. He has a little animal sticker book. He has some coloring things, some coloring stickers I have bought him. Some papers that he can draw on. He has a sketchbook for nature journaling. And this is our field trip journal, and it's from actually last year, but we're going to just continue in it until we fill it up. And then he has a little pencil case in here that he can keep different things in for when we go traveling. The next bin is this one, and this one has all of his read aloud, like readers that he can read on his own independently. And I just throw them in here. Oops, this is in the wrong spot. So these are the books that he is currently reading, or he can read independently, and we just keep them here at the bottom so that way when he has time he can go in here and read books. And I got all of these from the Dollar Tree and from a teacher store, all my bins. So in this one he has some little whiteboards, another little whiteboard, and then I keep another little pencil box in there. This is his Mickey Mouse pencil box. He loves Mickey Mouse, so I just keep it in there as well. So up top here is bins, and these hold his work, and I'll kind of just show you what I have in these. So I'll just start with this one right here. So in each bin he has his writing curriculum, and he asked to have folders like this year. This is his math. My oldest son asked for binders mostly. I have a little workbook for the United States because we're studying the states this year. I have a little Spanish workbook. I have their main Spanish curriculum book. A little coloring book. We got this book and we're just going to do something with it this year. We actually got it from the police station for free when we went on a field trip to the police. And it kind of just talks about like good manners, friendship, your town. This is for me to put things in. It's a plastic sleeve, and then it becomes, anything can become dry erasable. So I can just put any kind of worksheet in here and it becomes dry erasable. And then this is his spelling journal. So they all go in this bin. And I try to keep it nice and organized. So in the next bin, he has more things. He has his daily learning notebook, which is our calendar that we do daily. And we'll start at one school. And inside there, there's also a little morning starters book that I like them to do. There is his sight word thing. The way I use this is he gets a new sight word. It goes here. As he learns it, it moves across until he has completed it. And then he also has a spelling notebook. This has all of his spelling curriculum in it, and a spelling folder. This is his summer book. He practices in this every day in the summer for 10 minutes, and it just has little things in it. And that will come out when summer is over. It's just staying in his bin right now. And then the last thing are his binders. And these are the subjects that I put in a binder. And our subjects that are in our binder are ancient civilization, which goes through our history. He also has his music, which I put in one of these. This is going to be his geography, which is his road trip where we're going to be going through. And this one is his science for the year. My second grader's one is very similar. At the bottom here, you have all of the books that he is currently reading. And then he has a pencil box as well, and then his book bin is like overflowing. And then in here he has a notebook that he can draw in, some coloring pages that he likes, his animal sticker book, and then his field trip journal. And then his nature journal, I think, is still in his backpack. And then he again has a bin, and this one is just full of random stuff. He has a whiteboard in there. We made some slime for 4th of July. I'll let him keep their slime in there. He has another little pencil container in there, and then he has a drawing. And then at the top, he asked for mostly binders, so he has a lot of binders. But I'll go ahead and show you what's in this. So in his bin, he also has one of these calendar ones. It's just like his brother's. He also has a United States book. His is a little bit differently because it's for grades 1, 2, and the other one's for K1. But it still goes through all the 50 states. He has a spelling notebook just like his brother. He has the favorite book just like his brother. The early Spanish workbook like his brother. He also has one of these reusable things. It still has the where I bought it in here. This can come out though. You would just throw this piece away, and then any worksheet can go in there. He has his Spanish curriculum. He has his World's Greatest Artist. This is where we keep all of our art papers. He has the same coloring book. And he has the going to second grade workbook. Okay, so the rest of his are in binders. So we have his geography binder, his science binder, his music binder. I think this is his math binder, his writing binder, his spelling notebook, and then this one is his history. So that is all that he has, and we stick all of his binders up there. What I do is I just slide them up against the wall, and they're nice and organized like that. So that's an overview of our work bins, and they just go over there and get all their stuff. They know all their curriculum and all their books are there. If you are interested in any of my curriculums, all of the curriculum videos are found on my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel to see more homeschool videos. Thanks!